5 a.m. As you can see,
We rented out a bus.
we rented the whole bus.
Private bus.
Private bus. Is you listen? Are you okay, sis? So we're still waiting for our VIPs. Where are you guys? So that's the bus series liner. We're going to Hagnaya. We're going to Hagnaya. So this is the
first,
and then sige, explain na ma'am.
and then
You know?
go.
Go. You know the go. Ang saan naman siya na sis? Ang atong call center nila. Ang saan naman ang you know the go?
Yung backstory of mom, uy.
Sandi lang po ko.
Sila duga, uy.
Oh, yan na. Unang sa nato sila. Una mo LJ kay para you have videos with each other. LJ. May Saan siya, G?
Walking with Ed.
Later.
Let me be.
That is the island. Oh, so nice. Woo! This. Correct. We picture here. Oh, the two couples traveling Bantayan Island.
Hindi lang port, nagtikan na.
Yeah, super. The water. It's the island. Okay, okay. Bye-bye for now. So right now, we're already at Kota Beach with Glenn, Mariela, and LJ. So we will be staying here for 3 nights and 4 days. Yes. Kuya, diri ba to nag-shoot ang Kamsawi, kuya, nga movie? This is the... Sa Kamsawi, kuya ba? Mao ni, no?
Oh, dito sila sa tubangan.
Ah, okay.
Dito sila sa
So this is our room.
motor itong tamsalit sa mangrove.
Ah, sa mangrove, okay.
Huwag motor mo. Kasi lang makabalo, ah.
Kuya, contact kami ni mo, ha?
Thank you, kuya. Mukondak ni kuya. Okay.
Oh, that's the van guy? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yes.
So this is our room, or like kubo. I don't know, but this is how it looks like outside. Hello. And then when you open it, when you walk here. Hello. Hi, sir. Hello. So when you open the door, ta-da! You see her. there's unsay tawag ani nga bed ate? Duha ka two double beds.
I wanted to see
And
what
the
beach
master.
suites look like, but not the beach suites, but they don't have anything available. This is all they had.
It's fine.
Besides the standard room, which is a lower.
We have our closet.
This is actually,
And this is our
this dish was actually viral with,
what should I call it? Bathroom, sink. I mean, and then there's a bathroom. And I think there's a shower.
Broken Hearted Girls who went here because there's also like
Explain, sis.
searching their souls.
So let me see if this slide. Oh, it doesn't slide. Nilagyan na siya ma-slide. Never mind.
First. I don't know.
So you're soul searching, Mariela? Yeah. Broker.
Boy, this is recorded, Mariela. So
Okay, so right now we're already at Kota Beach, Bantayan Island. It's very, very nice. I'm gonna give you a small tour of the island. White sand beach. So if you're planning to go on a summer trip, then Bantayan Island would be the great, or the one that I could definitely recommend. It's very nice here. This is actually, I believe this is the place the Camp Sawit was taken. So this is. Again, so we're here at Bantayan Island. It's a very nice view. You could actually take pictures of you with your bikinis. And then that's their small villas. Okay. So here they are. It's not boomerang. So the vlogger behind the vlog. There. It's nice. Oh. Okay, so this is our brunch. You got steamed shrimp. Get squid, grilled squid. Asa dito? Napataro sa lipstick. So we're just gonna eat.
Like a sunburn. Ah, madalit. Katulad ng sunburn.
So it's day 2 here in Bantayan. And it's already... Okay. Saan na to oras sa ate? 2 something p.m.
Masasabi mo sa pinatay na
So
tao
ngayon,
kanina.
grabe talaga.
Ano masasabi mo sa pork barrel? Yung pork nasa baril.
Ngayon po, nandito po tayo sa...
Ano masasabi mo?
Babe, what? Ano What? Are you what? Are you out? So we're going to grab some lunch. We're gonna eat first. Well, it's a brunch because we haven't ate breakfast yet.
Nga lagi maldita kay ka. Nagaway mo?
Yes. And after that, we're going to Ogdong Cave. We're going to Kamsawi. And we're also
Dahil mga
going
sawi
to-
kami.
Well, I'm not sawi.
Sawi ka ba? Ate?
No.
Huh?
We're just going to Kamsawi and see who's
The sawi people.
yeah, the weak people there because they're really, they're really so weak. So we're going to see what their faces look like. Yeah. Joke, guys, joke. So we're going there. No, it's not a joke because I'm happy and happily.
Married.
Yes. Sometimes happy,
Married with him.
sometimes irritated, but most of the times irritated. And you just want to kill him, and slap him in the face like that. Like that.
Yeah, that's about right.
So yeah, let's go.
Let's go sa go.
What?
Let's go sa go.
Okay.
Okay guys, take 2. Yes, you can see we're walking already.
And then after we walking,
And after we walk, we're gonna
I wanna take a footstep. Grabe, bugo kay instruction. 2.
we're gonna take a tricycle. Famous tricycle. See the Sydney one picture again. After 30,000 picture that we took earlier. Just don't want a selfie. Yeah, close to 100. This is the Kota Beach where we stayed. Yes.
And then this is
Ah, di pa rin. May mag-walk lang tayo. So yes. Now we're walking. You can see.
kapuya sa kasag as you can see.
As you can see, there's a flower. As you can see, there's a bald head. Walking again. It's a flower. The bald head is touching the flower. And then here, we have our motor. We have
And
our
there's a bike.
If you wanna rent, guys, if you wanna go here in Bantayan, go to Kota Beach. Okay, go to Kota Beach. Eh, pagkaroon ka na mong vlog. Steady na mong vlog. Eh, dakdakan ti karon. Lapsa, uy. So, there's the dakdakan place. Dakdakan mo diha,
So wala
guys.
naman tayo kwarta. Ato na ta sa Kuku Bar.
Where's, yeah, Kuku Bar. Say Kuku. Kabati. Sige. You wanna go there, babe? Okay, we're gonna try the kuko. Magkit-kit may kuko there, guys. They have
What do y'all want to eat?
famous pizza. It doesn't matter, babe.
They got seafood, they got chicken.
Oh, seafood. Where's the seafood?
I think there.
Well, let's go eat seafood. I think the seafood place is there, babe. Mangit-kit tagkuko. Asan man imong kan? Loading lagi kay ka-error. Loading lagi kay.
Kasuwat sa aha. Hilak man din mo tatawa.
Ano, patay. Wala gi imong puso ron. Nandun ang puso.
Ayun pala talaga, hindi tayo magkasama.
We're not friends. I don't know you. They have yukay-yukay here. Yukay-yukay.
Okay na lang ka.
Ouch. Naninood lagi ni siya. Nga na naninood man ka.
Murag si Kuan.
They have sweet corn.
Look at that sweet corn. May pang corn sweet.
Wan lagi karir na magyel. Wan ay pildi na jutan. Okay, here's our lunch. Thank you. So this is what they call the ruins. They ruin everything.
Balay minis sa unang German, ma'am.
Oh, Kuya said it's the German's house before. Mermaid. The mermaid's gonna jump now.
A mermaid with a big tummy.
So this ari man nila gi-shoot ang ano? No, it's low tide. It's low tide. You can't jump. You're gonna die if you jump. So this is a cliff right there. Maligo sa mi kadiyot kuya ha.
Oo.
We're gonna kuya jump kuya. Joke lang kuya.
Buong dito nung jump. Dugog-dugo.
What?
Kumaligo mo diri, ma'am. Maglisod na pinong pagsaka.
Asa di mo sak ka day?
Naihagdan na diri, pero maglisod yapon mo kay ang iyang hagdan ang dili man diri. So here are we. So we're back at the beach, Kota Beach. As you can see.
As you can see. Here's the
I'm just
flowers
kidding.
you can see.
So yeah, we're gonna go swimming.
Like this is the true ligo na talaga. Hello. Kaipa sa atabs.
Min ana imo kuan.
Imuho mi. Excited ka na ba?
Man. Daghan na hinon tao. Sa airdrop. Later na te. Ingon ko later na.
Lady in red ka?
Ha?
Lady in red? Lady in red ba yung airdrop?
No. Glendra, regular. Hindi, daghan na tao noon. As you can see, there's a mermaid.
There's a mermaid.
Pregnant
with a big
mermaid.
tummy. Not pregnant. Uy.
Joke. Da, lami kay ko dati. Libak lagi. Asa na pita?
Ato tami ay.
Ato maganahan bitaw siya. So,
Maapa siya me.
magilis na siya. Walk.
Philippines, Bantayan Island.
Bantayan.
Bantayan. Yeah.
Yeah.
Something like that. Right
Bantayan.
now we're actually Mexican. But we had a lot of Filipino food. We had crabs. I had
Well,
crabs,
oh,
scallops. We had a bunch of Filipino food. Now we're going. Last night I ate Greek. Tonight I'm getting chicken nacho, tequila chicken nacho, whatever that is. They claim it with tequila, and they're going to go have drinks on the bar. I mean, on the beach at the bar.
He said it. Everything. So,
There's a
yep.
little dog over there.
Yeah, I'm showing the dog now.
They got me staring right at the cupcakes. It's not good in the cake.
I'm gonna get a blueberry cheesecake.
Hold up. I think you need to sit over there in front of me.
No.
That way you won't be staring at the cheesecakes.
As you can see, she's eating.
As you can see, it's lamig. As you can see, I'm chewing.
Thank you.
As you can see, the coke is being delivered. Are you not busugin the morning?
They're not full yet, so part 2 it's
Oh my god.
coming.
I'm full.
I was gonna eat again later until you gave me that pulled pork thing. I don't know if I can eat again later now. Trying to do to me. Look at the fishes.
Bapu.
What?
No, so dito siya ting. Now I'm gonna go with the original stick. Isa ka?
Ganon. Wala niyo magabili. Laksa ba niyo?
Saan eh? Kapila, day?
Lato, madam.
Thank you.
Madam,
Thank you. Okay. With your shell. Are you sad? Ang sabi?
Sa magkagat ang mukha, ginoon. Ba't man yung gaan na tatawa? Ba't yung